Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel Hiring Mentor. I hope you are doing good. So in today's video we'll be talking about the freshers job for Bachelors of Engineering, like what are the job available and the process of opening about these jobs. So just like the other videos, we have a Sojourner who is my colleague and she will share her knowledge and information about these BE jobs. So let us start the video. But make sure to watch the video till the end and you will definitely going to know about the values of these incredible jobs. So let us start the video. In today's session, I'm gonna ask Sojanya about the BE jobs. So Sojanya, could you please tell us about the industry types of BE jobs?
Yeah, sure, Pooja. Well, as you can see on the screen, the industry type is BPO or the call center. Well, the full form of the BPO is the business process outsourcing. This is the name of the industry types given to the jobs that are related to the BE, which means Bachelor of Engineering. So this is about the industry type, Pooja.
Well, can you please tell us that what kind of role they are looking for?
Yeah, sure. The role is the technical support engineer. So this is the role about about this Pooja.
Can you please tell us that what is the employment type and qualification for this job?
Well, the employment type of this BE job is the full-time or permanent. In case if the individual wants to apply for the jobs that are related to the BE, it will be the full-time only. Like basing on the number of years the individual will work. Like it might be for an year or it might be for 2 years or 3 years. Basing on the term that the companies provides the work to the individual. So it is mostly the full-time, which means permanent. It is not temporary, Puja.
Okay. Well, can you please tell us about the functional area for BE jobs?
Yeah, sure. Well, the functional area is the IT software and the network administration security. Like most of the people who wants to get the jobs that are related to the BA, which means it is completely related to the engineering. Like most of the engineering students will mainly focus on the information technology and they will work on the software and hardware. So the functional area, it mainly depends on the software. It also depends on the network administration security, Puja. So this is about the functional area of BE jobs.
Well, Sojanya, please tell our views about the job highlights for freshers job for BE candidates.
Yeah, sure. Well, as you can see on the screen, there are a few job highlights, such as it includes some rotational shifts where there will be some shifts like at the daytime or at the night time, and it is work from home, and the experience required is 0 to 6 years. At least the candidates who are applying for this BE jobs need to have a minimum experience. It might be for an year or it might be for 5 years. If the individual have worked in any previous company for a long period of time, they need to have experience, because basing on the experience the recruiters will recruit that person. And here is an example of the location. Well, the job highlights is from Bangalore, where the individual will get the monthly salary of its monthly salary like 2 lakhs to 4 lakhs. I'm not sure whether it is monthly or is it based on per annum. So the individual need to check the company and check the salaries that the company will allot to the individual based on the work, Puja. And as you can see, there are a few things, like it depends on the technical support too. It also includes customer service, international BPO, configuration, technical support engineer, custom care, technical support executive, routing, Windows troubleshooting, Microsoft, Exchange troubleshooting, and troubleshooting. So these are the fields that are included in it. These are the different kinds of things where the individual need to learn about, and these are the activities that this job includes, Pooja.
Okay. Well, can you please tell us about the job description for BE jobs?
Yeah, sure. In case if the individual wants to apply for the BE jobs, they need to have basic knowledge on switching and routing and Wi-Fi configuration as it is displayed on the screen. The individual need to be quite thorough about this in order to apply for a job. And this kind of job provides top quality technical support, troubleshooting of IT networks, and communication systems, including associated applications. Like whenever the individual apply for this job, they will look over all these skills, whether the individual is possessing the skills or not, whether the individual is having the knowledge basing on this or not. So this is about the job description of the BE jobs, Pooja, and these are the activities that they mostly focus on.
Okay, well, so Janya, can you please tell our viewers that what are the skills and requirements that a candidate should have for this job?
Yeah, sure. Well, every recruiter or every manager in a company or organization, they will only focus on the skills of the individual, whether he or she is possessing or not, whether he or she is capable of doing the work or not. So, as you can see on the screen, like excellent verbal and written communication and presentation skills in English. Like in most of the companies, there would be several presentations going on, like with the other companies. So the individual need to have good communication skills, and he need to have the ability of making others understand about the particular project, and he need to be excellent in the verbal in the sense he need to have some good vocabulary while using the English language. By this the people will think that he is so fluent in English and he is capable of giving the presentation in front of many people. So this skill is for sure required by an individual, and he need to understand the clients as well, like having individual business needs, and that customer service is an increasingly multi-channel environment can be complicated. The competition is more in the society, and there would be many clients from many companies or from many organizations whom they consult this company. So the individual need to have that ability to make the clients understand, and the person need to understand their problems, and basing on their understanding and interest, the candidate need to do the work. And there is so much of multi-channel environment, the issues will be quite complicated. Like in case if a client approaches a person based on certain problem, the person need to have the ability of solving the problem and understanding the interest of the client. So these are the skills that the client need to have, because in today's world the competition is so more, and the candidate need to possess more skills in order to get this BA job. So these are the required candidate skills that the candidate need to have in the profile as well, Pooja.
Yeah. Well, could you please tell us that about that? What are the job benefits and perks for BE jobs?
Yeah, sure. Coming to the job benefits and perks, as you can see on the screen, there are different benefits that are related to the BA jobs, like access to career, growth opportunities, and learn the current best practices in your field, gain global exposure. Whenever a person is working in an office or organization, he gets more exposure of the work they do. He will be quite aware of the activities that are going on in the company, and he will also receive the competitive compensation and benefits. As I have already mentioned a point before, there is so much of competition in the society. So when a candidate is exposed in the in the competitive field, definitely he can enhance his knowledge and skills that are required in this world currently, and he can improve his skills, and I can say this is one of the best benefits of this. And coming to the salary, the individual can expect up to 25,000 per month, and the individual need to work only 5 days in a company, and it also includes some 2 days rotational off. 2 days rotational off in the sense, the candidate will be switched over the shifts, like it might be daytime or it might be nighttime. And it also includes work from home, because as this pandemic has started, most of the people are preferring to work from home, because it's quite dangerous outside to just go and work in that office. So most of the companies are preferring this option, like work from home. Most of the companies not only in our country but also the world, like most of the companies want their employees to be safe at their homes, and it includes that. And coming to the rotational shifts, it's just based on the shifts from daytime to nighttime. So these are the job benefits and perks which the individual will get if he wants to get a job in the related to the BE, Pooja.
Well, can you please tell our viewers that what are the best companies for CS fresher job, like computer science freshers job?
Yeah, sure, Pooja. Well, as you can see on the screen, these are the best companies for computer science freshers jobs, such as Amazon. We all have heard this company. It is the largest company, and it is and Deloitte, and then the CGI. Being the world's largest e-commerce company, leaves a lot of space for fresh graduate jobs. As we all know that Amazon is the one of the top most companies and quite reputed companies, and it provides so many opportunities to the people, and as it is a e-commerce company, it leaves a lot for the fresh graduate jobs, especially for the computer science graduates. And coming to the Deloitte, it is one of the largest professional service network in the world, and it runs a giant network of the economic forum that needs a huge team of information technology professionals. So these are the companies that looks forward to recruit people a lot based on the skills they have in order to make out the progress. And coming to the CGI, it is also one of the top companies. It is the fifth largest independent and end-to-end information technology business services and product organization in the world. It was founded in the year 1976, and the company has grown into an organization having over 73,000 professionals around 40 countries. So this is about the information of these companies that are recruiting the people who are related to the computer science. So moving ahead, here are a few companies such as Mindtree. It is also one of the reputed companies. You can see the information of the Mindtree on the screen. And then coming to the Infosys, we all have heard about this company, as it is one of the top most companies in our country, India. And coming it is is a global leader in technology services and consulting, and it has clients of more than 50 countries in order to create and execute digital transformation strategies. And coming to the Cognizant, we all have heard this, and there are several branches across various cities in our country, and its main headquarters is in New Jersey. And Cognizant has made a huge mark in the Indian software scene area, and students are keen to learn from the work culture at Cognizant to help them further in their career. So these are the companies that are looking for the people who are quite proficient in their skills. And coming to the TCT, well, the number one IT consultancy in India is undoubtedly one of the best places to begin your career with, especially for computer science graduates. So, computer science graduates, you mostly look for these kind of companies which has so many placements going on. Well, in fact, it is a well known space for a stable career. Whenever you join in this company, you will have the stable career, you will have the fixed income, and the working environment will be quite good for you as well. So, these are the companies, Pooja, and I think I have answered all of your questions.
Yeah.
So,
Well, thank you, Saujanya, for answering my question. Well, let us wind up the video as we have reached to its end. But before that, please subscribe to our channel Hiring Mentor for more videos like this. And please do like and share this video. And please follow our Facebook page. And you can also join our webinars regarding these topics. Link has been provided you in the description box. And also wash your hand and do apply a sanitizer. And don't step out of your house for irrelevant reasons. Thank you for watching our video and have a nice day.